All right, everyone. Welcome to my audio YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of visiting the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. Today, we are going to be talking about how to prepare cashew tea. Here is the tree, and we're going to pluck some amount of leaves from the tree. Let's go. All right, this is the cashew tree. So I'm just going to pluck a few leaves from the tree, so you can see, and you can just prepare it the way the amount you can drink for like 3 to 5 days. And when you are done with that, you can still come for it, you pluck. So for those who don't know what cashew leaf is, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So it's everywhere, and you can just go around your neighborhood, search for it, and see the wonders of cashew leaf. So I'm going to plug this right now. I'm going to show you how you can prepare them, cook them, wash them, and how you can the amounts you will be taking. So I'm going to show you right now. So this is it. So let's go, let's prepare, and let's drink. We are done cooking just in 10 to 15 minutes. We're done and it's ready for consumption. We are ready to drink. Okay, here how it looks like after cooking for 10 to 15 minutes. Then half glass cup will be okay. Morning, night. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. First thing in the morning before breakfast, when you wake up, this is the first thing you will take. First thing in the morning, and you feel that you feel the energy, you feel the energy, the strength. And first thing in the morning, last thing in the night. Take herbal. Take herbal. You won't regret it. All right, here are some of the health benefits of boiled cashew leaves. One, it boosts immune system, and it contains powerful antioxidant. It promotes oral health, antimicrobial potency, wound healing properties, and it reduces cholesterol, anti-diabetic activities, and improve bones and nerves. So many health benefits you can benefit while drinking cashew leaves. Well, we are still going to talk more about cashew leaves and all of that. So, in with time, we will be talking more of other herbs, other medicinal herbs, other herbs that you can easily find around you that's gonna help your
health, to develop your health and all of that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more of this video. Share it to your friends and family, to your social media pages and all of that. Share it and let share the power of herbs. Thank you.